Guys, Heather here with Van Loan Family Farm. Jason and Noah. And we're out here this morning. We're getting ready to feed the steers. I come out in the mornings and I feed them, and then Tim's feeding them in the evenings, just so they don't lose any body condition. They stay gaining weight since they are our butcher steers. Today, out here on the farm, a little bit brutal. We are at 19 degrees with 27 mile per hour winds, and it feels like it's 1 degree out there, you guys. So pretty rough out there this morning, trying to get animals taken care of, but this is the life, you know, this is the real life. You know, we're not over here singing and doing a happy dance beside our cows. We're over here showing the real, and we want you to see the real. And the real is we're freezing our butts off out here taking care of the animals, but that's what it takes. That's what real farming is. Real farming is out here in freezing temperatures, chopping ice, dealing with the elements and dealing with your snow and your ice, but still pushing through with anything that's thrown at you. So we just, you know, want to keep it real. I want you guys to know the real, you know, of it. So that's what we got going on today out here on the Van Loan farm. I'm getting ready to go down and chop ice for the steers and for the cows and get them all taken care of. And then we'll come back in the evening and we'll feed the steers again, and then we'll chop more ice, you know, for them. So since it's cold out here, the creek freezes up pretty frequently. So it's just what you got to do, you know, out here when it's winter time out on the farm. So here we go, guys. Here they are. Split wall. I'm going to be taking that, I'm going to be chopping that, and we'll be shoveling out the ice on top, just so the cows can get down and drink that. I will chop a spot right here for the steers, because it's the steer side, and then right behind me here, that's the cow side. So then I'll go over there to the cow side, and I'm going to chop ice for them as well, so they have water today. So feels like it's about 1 degree out here. With this wind blowing, we didn't really get a lot of snow, but it's just the wind. The wind's blowing really hard. It makes it really uncomfortable. It makes it not so fun out here today. So, all right, let's get with it. Here's the cows. What they're supposed to be doing. It's crazy. That's a wrap for this morning. We got the steers fed, got the ice busted for all the animals, and we are headed home. Gate locked up, and we're gonna go get some hot chocolate, get warm, right? All right, guys. Until next time.
I want some hot chocolate.
Yeah. Until next time, this is Heather with Van Loan Family Farm. If you like our channel, please like and subscribe. Real farmers, real family, real American beef. Bye, guys.